First, another blow to Haiti as it struggles to recover. A powerful 6.1 aftershock struck about 2 hours ago. The tremor, which was felt across Haiti, was the strongest since the earthquake 8 days ago.
Alright, peace everybody. This is the God on Pool.
Hey, Rue returns.
And the Hey Rue returned here with Pole 3 Edutainment. This presentation that you're currently going to be looking at is dealing with the geodetics. And the way I describe geodetics or define geodetics is really dealing with the precise mathematical location of places such as Haiti, since it sits on the 18th parallel, dealing with Hurricane Katrina that sits on the 29th parallel, dealing with latitude, dealing with HARP, and dealing with the Eiffel Tower over in France. You understand what I'm saying? So we're dealing with the latitude and longitude and subtracting these mathematical facts and coming up with the space, and then understanding what the difference of the space means by introducing that mathematical formula through Qabala, since we have shown and proved many and many a times that Qabala is the place where the Zionist so-called elite is actually playing far as manipulating consciousness through mathematics and through events. Alright? So just giving you a quick introduction on what we meant by geodetics. Of course, we're going to get into the astrological phenomenon and what was going on with Haiti and the earthquake, tying Hurricane Katrina in to the earthquake in Haiti and how the two are actually related. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to let the hero add on to that.
Well, one thing you have to first understand is that everything isn't always as it seems, you know. This time right now, we need to look at the deeper science of things and really begin to understand the language that these people are speaking in. You know, we spend a lot of time, you know, paying so much attention to the TV and the news, and we don't take the time to look at the deeper aspects of what's really going on here, the mathematics, the higher science of the thing. So what we're basically doing right now is we're going to take the time out to present to you a step-by-step, you know, a certain way that you can go ahead and begin to put these things together for yourself without, you know, having to depend on me or the God on Pool to put these things together for you. You know, we have to. It's really about that time for us to come together and make this happen. You know.
Right. And when you see numbers, understand that each number that is said or shown has a particular correspondence to it. There is no such things as coincidences. You know, in math it's either right or it's wrong, but each math or each particular number has a certain correspondence to it. So we're going to be throwing numbers out there. The ones in particular, we're dealing with 17, which means in a tree of life, that is the 17th path is the path of the twins. That's the Gemini energy. You're going to see 11. 11 is the first master number in astrology. Is the first twin number, meaning, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first number that shows up twice, all right, is the double ones, which is the first twin, is 11. 22, of course, corresponding to the 22 letters of the Hebrew alphabet, all right, and 33, as we know, is another master number. All right, so there's going to be a very serious amount of numbers that we're going to be adding or times and or whatever to validate the point on which in which we believe, or what we're actually going to prove that the Zionist or enemy elite is actually playing at. All right.
he's
Bel Air right now are being restrained by automatic gunfire by former military riding around in pickup.
Peter Jackson, Lord of the Rings.
This is the second Academy Award tonight for Peter Jackson, including his...
You are the last.
You have no chance of beating the Fallen. Your power has no equal. I'll take the Fallen one by one. Don't talk as if I've already lost. We'll see the light return before this week is through.
This is a place where even angels fear to tread.
Worst fears realized. Here in New Orleans tonight, after the giant storm came the rising waters.
In the mid-18th century, Haitian slaves introduced voodoo to Louisiana natives.
To have, not even a king. That's why they went to such lengths to keep it hidden.
All us together at once. It's a new day. As we proceed to give you what you need. Hey yo, let's go, TJ, let's go.